Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Tommy Hilfiger video. Today's a very special one because I'm going to be sharing every single Christmas and birthday gift that I received Tommy Hilfiger related. I have quite a bit of stuff in these bags I'm super excited to share. And for those of you who don't know, my birthday is actually on Christmas, so I get double the gifts. Hashtag blessed. A lot of people think it's a curse. I need to always reiterate. It's actually kind of special, so I appreciate it. Anyway, hopefully you guys had a great holiday. Happy New Year. We're in 2023. I'm wearing this shirt as a homage to the year of the tiger. That was 2022. I conquered quite a bit of Tommy Hilfiger related goals in 2022. So I figured let's celebrate that with wearing, the Tommy Hilfiger 2022 New Year's shirt. You know what I mean? There's a 2023 version, which is a 𝗦𝗲𝗍 x Tommy Hilfiger. It's a bunny. It's the year of the rabbit, guys. Year of the freaking rabbit. It's kind of random. I like bunnies though. I used to have a bunny.
Good morning, Pooter. You're looking dapper.
I do need to get a Tommy x 𝗦𝗲𝗍 piece for my collection. There's nothing really that kind of jumps out at me, no pun intended, but it's going to be going on sale soon, I'm sure. So once that happens, I'll add something to my Tommy collection. I'll share with you guys. So anyway, I have some great stuff in these bags here. I'm going to share and do a little try on haul of all the Tommy stuff that I got, and we're going to have some fun. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Yes, I grabbed my drink from the ground. Don't judge me, okay? I'm working with what I'm working with here. Hopefully, you guys had a beautiful holiday. I know this time of the year is crazy, which is why I've not been posting much. And I just wanted to take in the holiday. It was my first year in my new home, and it was decorated beautifully. And I just really wanted to relax, guys. I had an entire week off, the week of Christmas, and I really didn't do anything. It was a staycation, it was necessary, and I'm not mad about it. It was beautiful. But let's get into it, guys. I have tons of goodies in here. A lot of things are winter related, so I'm gonna drop that hint right there. So I put things in Tommy bags because I feel like that was the most aesthetic thing to do. Duh. First and foremost, I'm going to share this piece that is already sticking out of the bag. This is a puffer vest. Oh my God, I am obsessed. It is giving me Y2K vibes. It is just such a vibe. I freaking love it. It's so cozy. This is a size medium. I didn't want it to be oversized. Okay, I wanted this to be, just a perfect fit. And I feel like I'm gonna wear a turtleneck, maybe even something, maybe even just this. But I'm gonna make an outfit out of this happen. I like how it is insulated. We have, I don't know what this is. It says make recycled. Oh, it is a recycled product by Tommy, which we always appreciate, of course. We have a little Tommy moment going on here with the logo. Of course, we appreciate that. And my favorite feature is how the Tommy Hilfiger colors are right around the collar. I absolutely love that. That is so freaking cool. And of course, I like the zipper action going on there. And yeah, this is a really simple piece. This went for $149, and my mom said she got a really great deal on it. I think it was 70% off. So, score. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Honestly, this is so freaking cool. The fit is ideal. Normally, I'm a large when it comes to outerwear, but this medium, it looks correct. It looks correct. Here's the back, in case you guys want to see. Also, let me show you this. Look at the back of this shirt. Are you kidding me? We have a full tiger moment going on. My floors are squeaking. Okay, that's my floor. I love this. Also, another detail that's pretty sick is the pockets. So the Tommy logos right on the corners of the pockets as well. And I'm loving that, guys. This is a really sick piece. Oh, the interior also does have the Tommy logo right there. The Tommy colors right there. Very cool, and something I'm gonna be wearing a lot because it already hit negatives, and we're in January now, but we were in December. It hit negatives in December in Pennsylvania. It doesn't happen that often, guys, so I think it's gonna be a cold winter. Jack. Next up, moving on, guys. Moving on to the next piece. My best friend Michael actually got me this. It is a belt, Tommy Hilfiger belt, and this is a women's I absolutely am obsessed. Look how freaking cool, is it upside down? Look how cool that is. I love how it's just an H. It's a slim belt. I feel like this is gonna be very chic with the right outfit. It is a light gold, which I'm happy that it's not like a in-your-face type of, you know, color of gold. And it's black, so I have to coordinate an outfit with this. I don't wear a lot of black these days, but I will for the right piece, like this belt. Surprisingly, I fit in a size medium in the women's Tommy Hilfiger belt. I don't know how that happened, but it happened, and it fits actually quite good. I'll show you right here if you can make this out, but I just love the simplicity of this belt. I feel like it's gonna be really, really cool with the right outfit, and it was $12.99. He tried scribbling it. Good job, Michael. It didn't work out too well, but we have a beautiful piece here, guys. Moving on, we have another winter accessory though. This is a scarf, and also, bear with me, a matching hat. I absolutely love this shade of gray. This is beyond beautiful and one of my favorite colors, to be honest. I feel like gray just makes my eyes pop, right? That was my stomach. I'm starving and my lunch is waiting for me and I want to get this video filmed. So if I'm talking fast, it's probably because I'm anticipating Wendy's.
I'm going to Wendy's.
Yes, I'm starting off the new year with having fast food. Why? Because I'm booked. I'm booked and busy, not bothered, but I don't have time to make food sometimes. Love these though. I'm so excited to rock these this winter, and trust me, these are gonna go with every jacket that I have, and I have an overwhelming amount of Tommy Hilfiger jackets for the winter and spring and all the other times of the year. But wait, while we're on Tommy Hilfiger winter accessories, okay, we have another one that's very matchy with these. This one's a little bit bigger. Obviously, this has kind of like, you know, more up there, and this one is not so much that. I don't know what style you want to call these two different types of hats. Obviously, they're two, oh, this one's bigger, actually, if you look at it. I don't know. Either way, they're both stunning. This is from my sister, 𝗲𝗄. It's beautiful, and I'm going to be wearing both of these often, all the time. I'm kind of in love with this hat, guys. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. The fit is perfect. The shade is perfect. Look at these, my eyes. Is it just me or are they popping? Gray just does that. Or is it the blue? I don't know. Either way, this hat is sick. Also, we can't forget about the scarf, the matching scarf. I used to like be really into scarves when I was in middle school. Like there's so many ways to wear a scarf like that. You can go like this. You can go, hold up, there's so many more. It's kind of crazy. Wait. Hold on. I used to be like an expert at scarves back in the day. There's so many variations, it's kind of overwhelming, but it's my scarf tutorial for the day. This one is a little bit more snug than the previous one. Honestly, I don't know which one I like better. They're two different vibes, like one's slouchy, one's fitted obviously, but it's cozy. This is a cozy one. I only have a couple more pieces left. I know you're probably expecting a abundance of Tommy Hilfiger products for my family and everyone for Christmas, but literally everyone thinks that I already have everything Tommy Hilfiger related. So I didn't receive as much this year as I normally do because people were like, well, I didn't know what to get you. I feel like you already have everything. They're not wrong, but there's never too much. There's never too much. So we have two more pieces, just two more pieces in this big bag right here. I'm gonna save my favorite for last, but this is my second favorite. This is a jacket that I got from my sister. Oh my God, the color. No, she knows me too well. Thank you so much, 𝗲𝗄. This is a beautiful, beautiful jacket. It has a lot of key features, but let's focus on the emblems right here. We have the Tommy logo going on there. We have one on the chest, and we have some, oh my goodness, right there. There's a hood. Now the hood doesn't detach. If there's one thing I could change about this, I kind of wish the hood was detachable because sometimes I just don't, you know, want it there. Either way, I'm gonna wear this in the winter, so I'm sure I can use a good hood. This color, hunter green, I think we want to call it, is just a beautiful color. Army green, maybe you want to call this shade. I don't know, but the hood interior is navy blue. Very cool. And let's check this out. It's a size large. I like to go up a size with my outerwear because I wear a lot underneath them. And this is the interior in case you're wondering. Oh, look it right there when you unzip. We see Hilfiger. That is by far my favorite part of this jacket. But this is the inside. In case you want to take a little scope at the interior. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this jacket. I also love it like when you go to hang up your jacket, like when I go to the gym and I hang up my jacket, I'm always like, because it's the Tommy colors. So proud, so proud. You ready for this? Oh my God, this jacket is everything. I'm obsessed with this color. This color is literally one of my favorite colors. I say that about a lot of colors. The blue, hunter green, powder blue, nude, and gray. They're my favorites. This on the list. I just love how it says Hilfiger right here. We have a moment on the pockets. Oh my God, this is so cool. This is the behind. Such a great fit too, like the large, literally fits perfect. The finale of finales of my Christmas and birthday Tommy Hilfiger extravaganza, guys. This is from my mom, and I picked this out. I was in the store and she's like, pick something out that you want. I'm just gonna say I picked this out. Okay, I have good taste. She has good taste too, but oh my God, this is a Tommy Hilfiger caramel, chestnut, whatever you want to call this shade, khaki perhaps, peacoat. This is a Tommy peacoat. I don't have a Tommy peacoat, and I love myself a good like formal jacket. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna obviously wear this. You'll see what it looks like on me. But my favorite, by far favorite part of this jacket is the collar. I like to flip my collars when there's, a jacket. Oh my goodness. Tell me that is not beautiful. Are you kidding me? We have the Tommy Hilfiger colors right there. That is insane. Also, look at the interior of this jacket. That just looks so luxurious, so expensive and elite as a jacket. It's not just like, so like this is the inside, but what is that? That is so neat. I don't know, like there's so many little details of this that are just beyond. I also love how the sleeves have like the stripes in there. This just goes all the way with Tommy Hilfiger details. The buttons, in case you want to see those, that's what the buttons look like. Very, very cool. I'm gonna be wearing this jacket often, especially like when I have to go to the office, because unfortunately I have to go to the office and we can't just work from home. Now we got the peacoat, okay? I didn't even put it on yet, but oh my God. I can't get over the inside of this jacket, okay? Look at that. I'm looking at my camera and I'm like, holy crap, that is stunning. Literally, this is a gorgeous jacket. Like details, oh, by the way, it was a little bit on the steep end. If you can make that out, $279. A little expensive, but to look dapper, there is no price, right? There is no price. What did I say? I'm gonna pop the collar. So here we have it. Put me in your show again, Tommy. As you can see, I have Tommy Hilfiger jackets and winter accessories for days. It is insane the amount of Tommy Hilfiger stuff that I have to get me through the winter, and I'm so grateful, so thankful. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me yet again. Thank you for another year of watching my content. Hopefully you're subscribed to my channel because I would love your company. If you're not, come on. This is the #1 resource for all things Tommy Hilfiger. I have a dedicated Tommy Hilfiger Instagram page known as the House of Hilfiger, and I would love for you to follow that as well. Link everything down below. But seriously, this whole past year has been insane. Like literally the year of the Tiger like speaks for itself, and I couldn't be grateful enough for all of you guys and for the Tommy Hilfiger team, having my back and all of their support and being in the show for the Fall Fashion Show 2022. It's just incredible, the amount of achievements just for being a Tommy Hilfiger enthusiast. So we have a lot more content to come for this year, and I cannot wait to share everything with you guys, including my Tommy Hilfiger closet. I have not given you guys a tour yet. I'm still waiting on a couple things here to really get the finishing touches, so stay tuned for that. But that's a wrap, guys. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.